I'm Jim Holmes. I'm an independent consultant. I run my own company, Guidepost Systems. Any automated test suite that has any amount of complexity in it, regardless if it's UI tests, integration tests, unit tests, a mix of all of that, and performance tests, other things, all of these test suites run into the same kinds of general problems. How do I create random test data, unique for each test? How do I handle test data configuration? How do I handle test configuration? How do I clean up after tests? How do I do things like manage complex business rules or deal with things like CAPTCHA? So in this session, you'll see practical code examples of a realistic custom test framework. That's the title of the talk, Building a Custom Testing Framework. The idea is that as testers, we can either by ourselves or work with the developers to leverage the system itself to make things easier for us to handle all of those complex problems. So you'll take away some very concrete tips and tricks about how to write an effective testing framework to make your test suites much better, much more maintainable, and easier to write better tests with. Hope you join me.